Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video. Today it's my third video that I made with English language. I hope there is improvement in me in terms of speaking English. And I also hope after watching this video, you can get various kind of important information that will educate you to be smarter in capturing information. So in the previous video, I have discussed the difference between food waste and food loss. You can see the video on this channel, or you can click the link in the description column below. And in this video, I will focus more on discussing food waste awareness and how important is it for Indonesia to implement food waste awareness. Before going to further discussion, let's first see what food waste awareness is. Food waste awareness is an effort or an appeal to the public to overcome food problems. The problem of food here emphasizes the problem of food waste. Indonesia is included in the list of countries that have a very high level of food waste. This is of course a special concern for our circle to be more aware of this problem. Other countries that are categorized as developed countries have implemented food waste awareness. Whereas we can all see from the data, the developed countries have a very small rate of food waste cases in their countries. There are several facts that have been issued by the FAO that in fact, the food we eat every day doesn't end up completely on our plates. It ends up in trash. This shows that people have bad behavior towards food, whereas if left unchecked, food scrap thrown into the trash will endanger the environment. There are several examples of food waste awareness patterns that have been implemented in several places in the world. For the first example, the pattern of food waste awareness is the existence of regulation in Texas that require restaurants to have alternative methods of managing food waste. This is done by donating it to those who need it or recycle it into fertilizer. This is done because the Texas government is committed to the zero waste policy by 2040. And the second example, food waste can also be used as a source of electricity, as practiced by Sweden. Waste become alternative energy and fuel that turns on generator to generate electricity, so that about 2 million tons of waste burned into electricity, enough to replace 670,000 tons of fuel oil. The Swedish government is implementing the waste to energy program principle, campaigning for the principle of reduce, reuse, recycle, alternative to energy, and landfill. The principle is the sorting of waste that can still be used, recycled, and repaired before being converted to energy. The question is, should food waste awareness be implemented in Indonesia? The comparison of the food waste awareness application patterns carried out by the two examples above should be applicable in Indonesia. However, in different regions, there will also be different regulations and ways to implement them. If the food waste awareness patterns policy implement, it shows that there is concern for the environment in the country. By implementing of a food waste awareness policy pattern, it will reflect a statement that a good and healthy environment is one of the human rights that must be fulfilled. With this video, I hope that it will have a little impact to change the way we treat the food we eat. Maybe that's all I can say. Don't forget to click like if you like this video, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.